So hello guys, in our previous video we learned how to use the pen tool to remove our subject from the background, and also we learned how to use the pen tool to more or less clone an ellipse. So if you haven't watched that video, I will advise you go back and watch those previous videos because it's more like a build-up. Okay, so we're going to, in this video we're going to learn how to use the pen tool to draw this particular character, okay, which it happens to be Dora. Okay, so now when I pick the pen tool, ensure on the menu bar where you have the properties of the particular tool you selected displayed, ensure you are on shape, not on parts. Okay, so whenever you're using the part, like we said in the previous video, we're trying to make a selection. Okay, but in this particular video, what we're actually achieving is we're trying to get each shape of the head, okay, which is what we're starting with. Okay, so it's going to be 4 video series, okay, but I'm actually starting with the head. Then in the next video we'll learn how to do the torso of our character. Then we'll learn how to do the leg and then the hands in the subsequent videos that will follow. Okay, so I'll start by using the pen tool to draw around the head. Alright, so like I said, ensure you're on shape, very important. So whenever you're in shape, it creates a layer automatically for you, as you can see. So you could see that it's sort of kind of obscured, and I would like to see what I'm doing. So what I'll do is I'll step down the opacity slightly. Okay, so once that is done, I'll continue what I'm doing. So you can see how important, like, when I brought down the opacity. Okay, so you can see how important the use of pen tool is. So with it I can create any shape I want. Okay, so we're done with this part. So I'll go back and select the move tool. Okay, and the reason is this, so that I can't draw the other parts of the hair. Okay, so this is it. Okay, I can also bring down the opacity as well to see what I'm doing. It's very important. Okay, so we're done with this part. I'll click here, click any free space, then I'll select the pen tool again, make a selection around this place, make a selection here. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's do the eyes. So if you notice, the eyes comprises of the pupil, you have the eyeball, the outer eyeball, then you have the inner eyeball. Okay, so okay, so I'll make the cycle. So instead of the pen tool, I can use this ellipse. I can just create a new layer for ellipse. I'll hold on shift and drag. Okay, hold on. I'll create another layer again. Hold on shift and drag. Okay, I'll create another layer. I'll hold on shift and drag. Okay, so Dora is sort of blocking. I'll bring it down to see what we're doing. Okay, I'll change this color to brown. Okay, all right, so this black, okay, and this white part of it. All right, so I'll make selection, then I'll place it right there. All right, okay, it was sort of hidden before. Okay, so now we can see it. Okay, all right. Okay, so I'll give this a color. Let me step up the opacity. I'll use my eyedropper tool. Okay, just gonna pick a color. Say brown. Let me select the shape first. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's close Dora. Okay, so I haven't made a selection around the face, so let's just do that quickly. So go over the face. Okay, mustn't really get the shape right because the hair is going to cover the face slightly. Okay, okay, so we'll change the color of the face and we'll bring it down. Okay, we'll still bring it down. All right. Okay, good. Let's place Dora at the top so that we'll be seeing. Okay, so let's draw the other eye. So I can pause it, okay, for sake of time. Okay, so guys, after making the hair and the right eye, I paused the video so that I don't want the video to be too lengthy, and I went ahead and made the left eye, the nose and the mouth, which is something you can do. It's still the same thing still applies. You can still use the pen tool all through, and then I followed a particular naming convention. In order for the work to be organized, I have the nose, I grouped it. Okay, so if you don't know how to create a group, So you can just come down here. Let me click around this area. Just click here. Okay, you can see the group, then drag your layer into the group. So that's basically how you create a group. Okay, so what we'll do here is we'll try to align the hair region. Okay, so that's basically what we'll do. Okay, you click on this one, click on direct selection tool and adjust it slightly. Okay, so it's sort of that part of the hair that is behind the other. Okay, so you align it accordingly. Okay, so you go ahead and click the other part and click on the direct selection tool. And you make a selection. Alright, so now this is your hair. You adjust it. Okay, like I said earlier, you can use the pen tool without your direct selection tool. Okay, so they work in tandem. Like whenever you use the pen tool, obviously you're going to use the direct selection tool. Okay, you can't do it without the direct selection tool. All right, but the major thing is for you to know and understand how to use the pen tool. Once you know how to use the pen tool, then the direct selection tool won't be an issue at all. Okay, so we're almost done with the head of our character. Just making slight adjustments. Okay, so what we'll do now is this. Now, this particular part of the hair, okay, it's not supposed to be this dark. Is the one behind that is supposed to be dark. Okay, based on the direction of light. Okay, you can see that it's coming from this part. So here it's supposed to be lighter than here darker. Okay, so we'll make that change quickly. Okay, so you go and pick your eyedropper tool and make a selection. Okay, you can see it here. All right, so what we'll do is we'll click our shape, click this, then click on this. All right, okay, so you click on this as well, click on this. Okay, all right, so you click this and change the color, make it lighter. Obviously it's supposed to be lighter. It's too light. Let's step it down a bit. Okay, this is fine. Let's make slight adjustments. All right. Okay. Now I can notice this side is it's not curved. I want it to be curved, so like I said, click your direct selection tool, hold down Alt and drag it. Okay. Okay. So you can see we're almost done. Okay, so guys, we're done with the head of Dora. So in our next video, we'll see how we can make the torso. Okay, so see you guys in the next video.